And tonight I spoke to Democratic Congressman Ron Barber from Washington, D.C. He says the government shutdown could end at any time if Speaker Boehner presented a bill that funded the entire government for a few weeks and did not touch Obamacare. We also discussed his attempts at speaking about the shutdown on the House floor this week.
Madam Speaker, our service members and our veterans have done their duty.
As the gentleman will suspend.
I asked the congressman to explain exactly why he was prohibited from speaking on the floor of the House this week.
A
lot of people are being hurt, and I want to be specific about it. And whenever I try to do that, the chair rules me out of order. I think that's wrong. Maybe procedurally it's correct, but the American people need to know what's going on back here.
Congressman Barber says he stands with his Democratic colleagues and President Obama, arguing the government should be funded with no strings attached, and any changes to the health care law should be discussed at a different time. And he says he's met with about 20 Republicans who share the same feeling about a so-called clean budget bill.
It would pass with a bipartisan majority. I believe that virtually every member of the Democratic caucus would vote for it if those Republicans do what they've been saying they want to do. They want to get the government back to work as well.
Barber says the staunchly conservative members of the House are the ones pressuring Speaker Boehner not to put that clean bill up for a vote. But he also said the attitudes of both sides are not helpful to reopening the government.
I do know that the rhetoric is harsh, and it needs to stop. We need to sit down and have reasonable discussions.
Now, locally, many families worry about how the shutdown will affect federal assistance programs like food stamps and the WIC program. Right now, 116,000 women and children statewide are on the WIC program. That helps single women buy food for themselves and their kids. Officials say there's enough money to support the program for the rest of this month, but after that, they don't know. The program is being funded right now by a $100 million contingency plan, and after that money is gone, officials really don't know where any more money will come from if the government stays closed.
Well, get this, happening to